Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. How to make a homemade hand sanitizer with essential oils. You probably haven't considered making your own hand sanitizer. Stores sell it for cheap, in a variety of scents and styles, and it's basically as good as it can be. But if you've been to a pharmacy in the midst of a viral outbreak like the one currently gripping the nation, you've likely noticed that shelves empty as anxiety levels rise. If you have sensitive skin, or if you prefer to go all natural, there is a way to make hand sanitizers using only essential oils and natural ingredients. Studies have shown that certain essential oils can kill bacteria, and they can give your hands a pleasant scent. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know. Here's how to make hand sanitizers with essential oils. Step 1. Using a small bottle, travel size, add 3 teaspoons of witch hazel. Step 2. Add 6 drops each of lemon, orange or tea tree oil. Step 3. Fill the bottle with distilled water. Step 4. Shake to mix everything together. You can use aloe vera gel instead of distilled water if you prefer to use gel instead. Aloe is also great for reducing inflammation and soothing your skin. So, if that old bottle of hand sanitizer you've been carrying around is half empty, don't panic. You can make your own sanitizing gel with supplies you can find at a drugstore or may already have at home. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find the 5 key ideas to clean up your house. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. FastKlean works in partnership with Bravo. Together we want to change the world. Check our descriptions below to see our favorite products and use a special code for a 10% discount when you order via our channel.